Hey guys, today we're taking a look at this wireless charger. So it's pretty cool here. You have, let's see if we can turn this on. Okay, it might only come on when your phone is there. So let's try this out here. Now our phone should light up letting us know. Okay, so normally you want to take this off here. There we go. Take our phone here. Now, okay, so there's a problem with our phone. Because our phone is a foldable phone, to charge it's a little bit different, but you can have it like this. Now we'll place it like this. So there you go. Fast wireless charging showed on the bottom there. That's pretty cool. So I'm going to disconnect it just so you guys can see this again. So we disconnected it. Now we're going to reconnect it. Might take a little bit. Okay, so it said fast wireless charging. Move this over. Put it back. So yeah, if you have a flip phone, you can set it like this. Any other normal phone, you can set it up like this. You can also probably set it from the side too. But it's pretty cool. There's a built-in fan on the back. And that automatically seemed to come on when we placed our phone up against. So let's see. Yeah, so it's auto. Place our phone up against. That's cool. Looks like you can manually turn it on and off as well. So if you don't want it on, you don't have to have it on. The cool thing is this comes out. So if you don't want to set it up like that, if you just want it like this, which you can easily do, then you can set your phone on top. So a flip phone like this, we could set it like this. So there's multiple ways. Overall, very nice. Comes with its own little block. Overall, I like it, and it's fast charging, so that's pretty cool as well. Definitely keep this for our desktop. And when it's down like that, it does have these little grooves that allow the fan to keep working even when it's setting down like this. There we go. Very nice.